Hi guys, back again. Jonathan here. So this video is all about using MDPE pipe and Filmac fittings. So here behind me I'm at Farm Eco. Fantastic little centre this. So MDPE pipe is perfect for places like this. Quick, easy to install, durable. What brings us to this centre and helping them out is they have men in sheds. So I donate loads of tools and woods to Tools for Africa and Men in Sheds. So Men in Sheds, they make boxes to put the tools in and then get shipped off to Africa. Fantastic little centre here, really is lovely. So next charity project is in Doncaster. It's a Scout Hall, and that charity project is in remembrance of Chris Sale, who fortunately took his own life. So please stay tuned, spread the word. Doncaster, 23rd of March. Enjoy this video. Any questions, comment below. So this is the centre. It's going to be getting a water supply there. I don't know what the future purposes are, so it's got an outside tap and a wing plate and a stop tap, so they can maybe fit a sink for the staff or something. So let's have a closer look. So to secure the MDPE, I'm using strapping. It's good to be outside, isn't it? Fresh air. Double check valve to stop contamination. That is actually now part of the regulations. It's got to be separate. It can't just be built in the bib tap. So this is a bib tap. The outside tap. Wing plate elbow, wall plate elbow. You've got to fit them for some structure, some security for it. Make it secure. This is actually a verification not on the double check valve. So that is to prove it's actually switched off, it's actually isolated. Service valve, stop tap so they can do what they wish without tampering with the supply. It's got a stop tap again, so it's going to have a stop tap either side of the meter, just to stop water trickling down or going back up, etc. It's got a water meter. It's going to have another clip. I want this to be secure, I don't want this to move. And it's going to have another stop tap going straight onto the MDPE. So this MDPE is going to be a compression fitting, nice and basic. This is the order of the pipe, put the nut on, the olive on, put the insert on. These inserts are quite tight. We'll put a bit PTFE on. It's going to go straight onto the isolation valve. There you go. Got to be careful in these situations. If I damage that olive, I want to add another one. So next, I've got to connect the new supply to the MDPE pipe. I'll put a T right there. And here's the fitting. So even though it's 25mm street main pipe, it's pretty much the same as a speed fit fitting. Push it in, grab ring, O-ring with an insert. So now I've got to turn the supply off. EPH controls are very good. Here it is. It's teen on there. Everything that I need. I'm not going to tighten up too tight, just a little nip. I've got my cutters. You've got to use special cutters for this. Hammer, just to knock in the inserts. So I've marked it with pencil. I'm experienced, done this 25 years, I still mark fittings like that. It's not worth the risk. A good worker is a conscientious worker. No leaks there, all good. So I've turned the water back on. With plastic mains stop taps like this, whether they're in the ferrule, in the ground, or above, like this Filmac one, never turn them off too tight, because when you turn them back on again, the whole head blows off. So it's all insulated. I like to put tie wraps on so it's nice and secure. So Filmac fittings have been around, and this is one of the type you might be familiar with. So this is the earlier type where the actual insert and the seal is in one. These, to be fair, were pretty good. This is the order. Pipe, nut, grab ring, and then the insert. And then the insert goes straight into the fitting. So the O-ring and seal is on the insert. You can still get compression fittings for them. What you've got to be careful of is these. Farmers tend to bodge things, so look at this fitting here. So that's for a female line connection. This is one I've came across on site. They've used a steel bush. So that on a cold supply will corrode, will rot, will deteriorate. That is not durable. That is completely wrong and unacceptable. This is how you convert to copper. So that goes inside the Filmac fitting, plastic O-ring, and the outer cone. Really simple stuff. The fact that this can seal and hold up to 10-12 bar is just phenomenal. It really is. Simply, three of them goes together like so. Ta-da! So simple to use and so durable.